Have you recently purchased a home, let's say in the last 6 to 12 months, and had to waive your home inspection? Listen, did you know that most homes with chimneys, most of these chimneys are in need of minor repairs that, if go undiscovered, can lead to pretty expensive repair costs and even safety issues down the road. So please watch this video where I'm going to reveal the most common issues that chimneys are facing these days and how you can protect yourself from future expenses and protect yourself. There's a safety element to this whole thing. So, of course, most chimneys are associated with fireplaces, and certainly this is a bigger concern than chimneys that are just serving heating systems. But altogether, if you have a masonry chimney, 90% of the masonry chimneys out there are right now in need of some sort of minor repair. And the issue is most of us are not really, let alone don't even know what we're looking for, but don't have access to the chimney. So at Allied, we have what's called a post-settlement assessment, where we actually will look at 20 areas of your home and give you a fully comprehensive assessment of these 20 areas. More on that later. But as far as your chimney goes, the most common repairs that are required on chimneys are what is called the cap and screen of the chimney that's oftentimes missing, and the crown of the chimney that oftentimes is cracked and deteriorated. So the chimney itself is a structure. So a common chimney, a masonry chimney, is the actual brick or stone structure going up. Within that chimney is the liner. Some of these chimneys can have multiple liners or multiple flues. So one chimney could have, I've seen them up to 7 flues, but generally they have 1 to 2 flues within that one chimney. So where these flues ultimately penetrate the top of the chimney, there's what's called the crown, which is literally just cement that seals the top of the masonry to those liners, presuming that that chimney is lined. So the crown often develops cracks in about 10 to 12 years, and they can easily be repaired or sealed and kept going and maintained for many, many years, decades down the road, if they're maintained. Additionally, you would like to have a cap and a screen installed on top of each of those flues. Cap and screens are roughly $35 to $45. Ideally, look for stainless steel, and they're essentially going to help keep water from coming in, hence the cap. But then the screen, you might have guessed, yes, will keep unwanted guests and pests from entering into that chimney and getting stuck in there and potentially damaging equipment that is serving that chimney down below, or that chimney is serving down below. So those are the 2 most common areas. But the bigger piece that needs to be discussed here is that flue, is that full length of that chimney. Most homes have never had what's called a level 2 chimney inspection done, which basically requires the lowering or ascending camera through that entire length of that flue to inspect the interior to ensure that it's intact, it's not deteriorated, it's not separated, it's not incomplete, and that it's not full of creosote. So especially if you have a wood-burning fireplace or even an oil appliance, you definitely want to consider having a level 2 chimney inspection done. In fact, it's not my word, but actually the National Fire Protection Association recommends that on the sale of a property, you should have a level 2 chimney inspection done, where again, they're going to inspect the full length of that chimney and ensure that it's in as best working order as possible. So that is your chimney tip for today. Again, we offer a full comprehensive 20-point assessment. We call it the post-settlement assessment. It's designed for those homeowners like yourself, most likely, who have recently purchased a home and were forced in that undesirable position to waive all inspections, including the home inspection. So we look forward to an opportunity to serve you. Before I go, I want you to know that with a post-settlement assessment, all of our home inspections come with one of these books, but for this post-settlement assessment, we're also going to include this How to Operate Your Home book. It's a nice tool, help you with ongoing maintenance around your house, just a better overall understanding of your home and its systems and components. Additionally, with all of our post-settlement assessments, you're getting a full list of warranties, over $115,000 in warranty coverage, covering your roof for 5 years, your structure for 12 months, your sewer lines, your water lines, even mold protection, in addition to coverage for your appliances and mechanical systems. So check us out. You can find us at alliedinspection.com/PSA for the post-settlement assessment. You could also call us at 610-437-6931. We look forward to an opportunity to be of service to you in the future. I'm Matt. Thanks for watching this video.